Sawasdee krab. Welcome to my dish channel. I'm Jim, and today let's make salad. It's called Larb or spicy minced chicken salad. It's from the northeast part of Thailand, but it's famous throughout the country. When you're ready, let's check out what we need. We will start with making toasted rice powder. It's the most important ingredient for this one, okay? Heat it up. Use low heat. Yes, and then today I make around 1/3 of the cup. Okay, just put it in. And keep cooking. The trick is making this one, right? You have to be patient. Low heat and keep cooking until the rice turn light yellow and a little bit of the smell, okay? It takes time, so I will fast forward this one, okay? Okay, now you can see, right? It's turning yellow or brown, whatever you call it, okay? Around 60 to 70%. It should be okay. And then turn the gas off. And wait until it's cool down. And then you smash it, all right? I like to smash it because I don't want to make it too fine. You want to have some sandy texture when you mix with the meat, okay? And you can make like a big batch and then keep it for months. All right, I'll come back. Okay, before we start cutting veggies, right? Let's talk about toasted rice a little bit. We use normal rice, not sticky rice, and some people they put, kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass in to add more smell. But for me, I like it pure like this. All right, as you wish. All right, start cutting. All right, start cooking. Okay, warm up the wok. Use like a medium. We don't put any oil in, all right? But we will put water in, bit by bit, just to help to cook the chicken. Okay, and then you put chicken in, and then a little bit of water. Yes, and then keep going. Keep cooking until chicken is almost cooked. Yes. Almost cooked, right? And then you put shallots in. I like to cook shallot a little bit soft. Okay, and keep going. Yes. Oh, smell the shallot, so nice. Little bit more to make sure the chicken is cooked properly. Yes. Okay. And then turn the gas off first, and then now you start to season. Start with the fish salt, right? Sugar, toasted rice powder, lime juice, and then chili. And then keep mixing it. Yes, beautiful, eh? Oops. Oh, smell nice. Yes. Yes, and then you put veggies in. Spring onion and culantro. And then keep mixing it. Yes. Now you, woo, smells so nice. Oh, I'm hungry now. That's it. On the plate. All right, let's try it. Oh, yum. Yum. It's like sour, salty, sweet, and spicy come after. And we will have it together with sticky rice. How to eat sticky rice, right? Use your hands or hand. All right? Don't use spoon or fork. This is how we do it. Oops. And then, yes, make it as a bowl. Like this, and then have it together. Sorry. Together with the cabbage. Spicy. Not bad. Very good. All right, we have it now. So, see you next week. Stay safe and wish you were here.